What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Caitlin and I'm a licensed hairdresser from Georgia. So this is my client Alex, and we haven't done her hair in I want to say about like 6 months maybe. So she has a good amount of regrowth and her toner has definitely faded out, pretty warm. So the goal today is just to bring everything back up and then cool it down a bit and brighten her up and bring her back some money pieces.
They aren't shining quite as bright like years apart. Take your love.
So now I'm just doing her trim while it's dry before we apply the colors, so that way we don't waste any. So as always, I'm starting in the bottom and I'm taking pretty decent sized sections. I would say I'm doing like 1/2 inch sections and then taking half of that as a subsection and taking pretty average size weaves, but I'm also teasing a little bit to diffuse the highlights towards the root.
Shadows of the past follow, pointing line like before. I don't wanna see the starlight anymore. Take your love, take my life, fight it up, pass me by. I just wish that you'd seen me a little better than I was. Smoking mirrors separated, yeah, they told me you'd never fall.
I like to start a money piece around the ears and then work all the way around the face. So I'm going to take 2 side-by-side slice sections right there around the face and then pivot all of the rest of the foils up the head to the top.
Take your love, take my life, fight it up, pass me by. I just wish that you'd seen me a little better than I was. Smoking mirrors separated, yeah, they told me you'd never fall. Is all.
Finishing off the money piece in the front, I'm taking 3 weaved back-to-back foils right around the face, and I'm finishing off the rest of the head with horizontal foils going all the way up.
Streetlight silhouettes, your hair was on my chest. We saw the stars, they aren't shining quite as bright like years apart. Take your love, take my life.
So here's a better view of my foil patterns from the top, just horizontal sections on the side, and then the 3 back-to-back in the front for the money pieces. Sorry guys, my camera died, but I'm now applying her root smudge, so I used Redken Shades EQ 5N 5NA just to match her natural base color, and now I'm just pulling it through. I only tapped it about a 1/2 inch on the back end of her money pieces, and then I brought it down about 1.5 inches to the back to give that halo organic effect. And I also toned her with 9GI, 9P, and 9B by Redken Shades. So when her hair was wet, I trimmed in her curtain bangs and her face framing pieces, and then now that it's dry, I'm just checking her cut, making sure that everything's even, and throwing in some beach waves, and I'm using my 1-inch Ionic extra long barrel curling iron. And here's the finished look. Oh my gosh, we love it. It's so bright and blended, and the money pieces are popping, and it's super like spring 2023 vibes, so I'm here for it.
Separated, yeah, they told me
If you guys like videos like these, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.